Hello friends, welcome to your yoga flow today. My name is Janine. If this is your first time tuning in with me, we are going to get started laying down on our back. Bring your feet as wide as your mat and allow the knees to fall in towards one another. Take a few rounds of breath to arrive, finding your inhales through the nose and exhale through the nose. One more big breath in, long breath out. Begin to drop your knees from side to side, finding these gentle twists, allowing some release through the back. We'll take once more on each side. And then extend your arms and legs up to the sky for Sleepy Lion. Roll out the wrists and ankles. You can point or flex the feet, wiggle out the toes. Create a fist with your hands really tight and then release. Wiggle the fingers. And we'll cross our right leg over left, bend through the knees, and reach for the shins for cow face. Flexing through both of your feet. Maybe find a nice rock from side to side on your back. Actively pull the legs closer towards you. Feel the stretch in your outer right hip. Release the legs back up to the sky. Reach your fingertips towards the ankles. This will be your inhale. As you exhale, tap the fingertips to the ankles and then lower. Inhale, exhale, tap. Inhale, exhale. We'll go for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. This time we'll cross our left leg in front of right, bend through the knees, reach for your shins, taking cow face on the other side. Again, make sure you're flexing through your feet to help protect your knees. And then we'll rock side to side, massage out the back. Nice stretch in that left outer hip. And then we'll release the legs up to the sky once more, arms down by your side, and then slowly lower the legs down to hover. Maybe lift your gaze. Pull the knees in towards the chest, extend them up to the sky. Slowly lower. Knees into the chest, extend up to the sky. Slowly lower. We'll take this 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. This time lower the legs all the way down to the mat. Reach your arms overhead, long body stretch. And pull the right knee into the chest. Big inhale. As you exhale, supine twist to the left. Extend your right arm out to the side. Maybe adjust the hips so that they're in line with your shoulders. And finding a fun transition here from our twist, keep rolling over in that direction until you face the back of your mat, coming into a half frog pose. Your right leg is at a 90-degree angle. Release your chest down and hands come underneath the shoulders. On your inhale, press up for cobra. Exhale, lower. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Extend your right arm out in front of you. Press through the palms. Slide your left arm underneath or thread the needle. And then roll back onto your back. We'll extend our right leg long. Inhale, left knee into the chest. Exhale, twist to the right. Adjust the hips. Bring them in line with your shoulders. Left arm extends long out to the side. And then finding that fun transition on this side, keep rolling over towards your left leg. Come into that half frog pose. Find that 90-degree angle shape with the leg, hands under the shoulders. 3 rounds of cobra. Flowing with your breath. One more. Left hand extends out in front of you. Press through the palms so that you can slide your right arm through like thread the needle. And then rolling back onto the back, center yourself on your mat. Pull the knees into the chest and find a rock and roll up and down the spine. We'll all meet in boat pose, extending the arms and legs out in front for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross at the shins, rolling over, ground through your hands. We'll tuck our toes, lift the hips up and back, down dog. Take a moment to walk out your dog, bending through the knees. Maybe rise up to the tippy toes and then drop the heels low. On your inhale, rise to the tippy toes, gaze forward. Exhale, tiptoe your way to the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, slowly roll up. Sweep the arms up overhead, palms connect. Exhale, fold all the way back down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant your hands, take it back into your plank pose. Inhale to shift forward. Exhale, lower all the way to the belly. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. On your inhale, right leg rises. Bend at the knee, open up through your hip. Find some movement here. Circle out the knee in one direction and then the opposite. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose. Step your foot all the way through. Lower your left knee down. Inhale, reach up, low lunge. Stay for the exhale. We'll plant our right hand out to the side. Big side body stretch through the left rib cage. As you sweep your left hand down in front of you, rotate your back leg. Come into this low warrior 2. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Right hand plants inside of your foot. This time as you reverse, left hand grounds far behind you, lengthen through your right leg and reach your right arm overhead. Right hand plants at the top or at the back of your mat. Tuck your right toes. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Bend at the knee, open up through your hip. Circle in one direction and circle in the other. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose. Step it through. Lower your right knee down. Inhale, low lunge. Stay for the exhale. Left hand plants out and side. Big side body stretch through your right rib cage. Begin to sweep your right arm down and around. Rotate your back leg. Open up low warrior 2. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. This time as you reverse, plant your right hand all the way behind you. Extend through your left leg. Left arm reaches overhead. Release your left hand to the top of the mat. Tuck your left toes. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose. Step your foot through. Reach right arm up to the sky, lunge twist. Release your right hand down. Left foot meets right, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. We'll step our right foot back. Inhale, left arm up, lunge twist. Release your left hand down. Step back into down dog. Inhale, rise to your tippy toes, gaze forward. Exhale, travel to the top of your mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise, high mountain, palms connect. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, plant your hands, step back into your plank. Inhale to shift forward. Exhale, lower halfway chaturanga. Inhale for up dog, thighs are lifted. Exhale, down dog. Reconnect with your breath. Feel the body warming up. On your inhale, right leg rises. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale it up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Step it all the way through. Left foot to a 45-degree angle. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. Hips are square to the top of your mat. Pull your shoulders away from your ears. Light tuck of the tailbone. Inhale. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Straighten out through your right leg. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, sweep it forward into high crescent. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Inhale, high crescent. Exhale, warrior two. Lower Skandasana into your left hip towards the back of your mat. Inhale, hips through center. Exhale to the right. Rotate to the top of your mat. Inhale, right arm up, lunge twist. Then begin to roll onto pinky edge of your left foot. Open up side plank. Press your hips away from your mat. Take any variation you'd like. Hold for your inhale. As you exhale, right hand plants, lower chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. On your inhale, left leg rises. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale it up. Exhale to the right. Inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Step it all the way through. Right foot 45 degrees. Inhale, warrior one. Stay for the exhale. One more full round of breath. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Straighten out through your left leg. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, sweep it forward into high crescent. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Inhale, high crescent. Exhale, warrior two. Lower Skandasana into your right hip. Inhale, hips through center. Exhale to the left. Rotate to the top of your mat. Inhale, left arm up, lunge twist. Begin to roll onto pinky edge of your right foot. Open up side plank. Finding the same or a different variation on this side. Stay for the inhale. Exhale, ground your left hand. Lower chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg rises. Bend at the knee, open up through the hip. Stay here, or for wild thing, bring your shoulders over your wrist first, then step right foot behind you. Reach with your right arm. Right hand plants. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Extend your leg through, open up fallen triangle. Left hand plants. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose, step it through. Left foot 45 degrees. Inhale, warrior one. As you exhale, cactus through your arms. Find an interlace at your low back. Inhale, pull your shoulders together. Exhale, humble warrior. Lower your chest inside of your thigh. Allow your head to hang heavy. Inhale, rise, warrior one. Release your arms. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. Release your left hand down. Inhale, right arm up, lunge twist. Stay in your twist. Ground through your right foot and lift up through your left leg for revolved half moon. Release your right hand down to the mat. Reach your forehead towards your right shin, standing splits. On your next in-breath, rise up one-legged mountain. Left knee into the chest. As you exhale, tree pose. Left foot can come to your ankle, up to the calf, or help it up to your inner thigh. Hands can stay at the heart. Maybe you lift them overhead. Extend through your branches. Maybe sway your branches. One more round of breath. On your inhale, one-legged mountain, left knee into the chest. Exhale, open up warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, half moon. Right hand plants as left leg lifts. Open up through your hips. Stack your left shoulder and hip over your right side. Maybe become light on your right fingertips. Hover them over the mat. Bring your shoulders more in line with your hips. If you'd like to take Japasana, bend through your left leg, reach around to grab hold of your foot. Press your hips away from you. Release the foot if you have it. Close off your hips. Left foot meets right forward fold. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, sweep both arms to the right. Inhale through center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart, twist to the right. Check down at your knees. Make sure that your left knee is in line with your right. And then ground through your right foot. We'll lift our left heel in towards our glutes. Slowly extend the leg behind us, and then lower the toes. Bring the hands to the heart, and open up extended side angle. If you'd like to play with binding here, left arm behind the back, maybe right arm underneath your leg, reaching for left fingertips. If you'd like to play with bird of paradise, we'll step our left foot to the top of the mat. This will be the left side that we are building our foundation on. As you inhale, lift up through your chest. Focus on balance. Focus on your breath as you keep your bind. As you rise up, maybe you work on extending through your right leg. Slowly reversing your steps. Making your way back into extended side angle, releasing your bind. On your inhale, reverse triangle. Bring your arms out to a T. Pull your left hip back. Inhale to reach. Exhale, Trikonasana triangle. Allow a bend in your right knee. Left hand plants. Inhale, right arm up, lunge twist. Once more, ground through your right foot. Lift through your left, revolved half moon. On your inhale, one-legged mountain. As you exhale, traditional half moon. Right hand plants, left arm up to the sky, open through your hip. Close off the hips, standing splits. Release your left toes to the back of the mat, lower your left knee. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half splits. Straighten through your right leg, bring your hips back. Point or flex through your right foot. And you keep your hips stacked over your left knee rather than sitting too far back. Begin to shift forward into your low lunge. Tuck your left toes, lift the knee, open up Skandasana into your right hip. Then straighten out through your right leg, wide-legged fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, rotate to the top of your mat. Left foot meets right, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise, high mountain, palms connect. Exhale, fold all the way back down. Inhale. Exhale. Plant your hands, step it back into plank pose. Flow through your vinyasa, make it your own, and meet me in down dog. So strong, friends. Just one more side to go. As you inhale, left leg rises. Bend the knee, open the hip. Stay or find wild thing on this side. Again, shoulders over the wrists. Then step your left foot behind you. Reach through your left arm. Left hand plants. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Thread your leg through. Open up, fallen triangle. Right hand plants. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose. Step it through. Right foot 45. Inhale for warrior one. Exhale, cactus. Find it, interlace behind the back. Put your other thumb on top this time. Inhale, open the heart, pull the shoulders together. Exhale, humble warrior. Lower inside of your left thigh. Inhale, rise, warrior one, release your arms. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Release your right hand down to the mat. Inhale, left arm up, lunge twist. Ground through your left foot, lift through the right, revolved half moon. Left hand plants, standing splits. Reach your forehead towards your left shin. On your in-breath, rise up, one-legged mountain, right knee into the chest. Exhale to find your tree pose. Making sure that you're avoiding your right foot on your left knee. And then finding the shape with your arms that feels best for you. Tune into your breath. Inhale, one-legged mountain, right knee up. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, half moon. Left hand plants as right toes lift. You can keep your left fingertips on the mat, or maybe become light. Lift them to hover just above. If you're taking Shavasana on this side, bend through the right leg, reach around for your foot. Releasing the foot if you have it, close off the hips, right foot meets left, forward fold. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, sweep your arms to the left. Inhale, reach the arms through center. Exhale to the right. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart, twist all the way to the left. Tucking your right elbow outside of the thigh. Check down at the knees. Hold in your twist. Ground through your left foot as you slide your right heel up towards your glutes. Slowly extend the right leg behind you. Lower the toes. Inhale, hands to the heart. Exhale, open up, extended side angle. Option to bind this time, right arm behind the back. Maybe left arm through the legs. You're taking bird of paradise on this side. We'll step our right foot to the top. Ground your whole right foot into your mats. And when you're ready, rise up through the chest. Tuck your tailbone underneath you. And then work on extending through the left leg. Take your time reversing your steps, meeting in extended side angle. Release your binds. As you inhale, reverse triangle. Bring your arms out to a T. Pull your right hip back. Inhale to reach. Exhale, Trikonasana. We'll bring a bend into our left knee. Release your right hand down. Inhale, left arm up. Flying into our half moon. Revolved half moon once more. Reaching left arm up to the sky. Twist through your back. Inhale, one-legged mountain. Exhale, traditional half moon. Left hand plants. Open up through the right side of your body. Close off the hips, standing splits. Right toes ground at the back of the mat. Lower the right knee. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half splits. Few rounds of breath here. Continue to open up through the back of your left leg, keeping it active by pointing or flexing through the foot. And then again, check. Are your hips stacked over your right knee, or are they sitting further back? If so, lift them a little bit higher. Find that alignment. Begin to shift forward into your low lunge. Tuck your right toes, lift the knee, open up Skandasana. Lengthen through your left leg, wide fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale. Exhale. This time, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, rotate to the top of your mat. Right foot meets left, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, high mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale. Exhale, fold, plant your hands, flow through your final vinyasa. Once you reach your down dog, lower your knees as wide as your mat. Big toes to touch. Rest your hips over your heels for child's pose, balasana. Rising up into tabletop. Flowing through dancing lion. Any sort of free movement within your body that feels good to reset. Making large circles with the hips. Cat cows. Figure eights with the body. You can always close your eyes here. Just focus on what feels good for you. Maybe taking some time to flip your hands in different directions. Stretching out the forearms and your wrists. We'll meet in tabletop. Keep the hips over the knees. Walk your hands out in front of you. Melt your heart down for puppy pose. You can either connect your forehead to the mat, or if it feels safe on the neck, tuck your chin. From your puppy, shift forward to lower your hips down into Sphinx pose. And then bringing the right ear to the right shoulder. Sweep the chin down towards the chest. Left ear, left shoulder. Bring it all the way around. Gently drop the head back. And then reversing the direction. Left ear, left shoulder. Bring it down and around, over to the right. Drop the head back, open through the throat. Coming to a neutral neck. Release your chest down, hands come underneath your shoulders. Inhale for cobra. Exhale, child's pose once more. Rise up, and then simply sweep your legs out in front of you. We'll lower our back all the way down onto the mat. Pull your right knee into the chest. Reaching for your leg, maybe pinky edge of the foot, hook onto your big toe. We'll find a half happy baby. Right sole of foot up to the sky. Work on pulling your knee in towards your underarm. Keep holding on to your right leg as you begin to extend. Open up through the hip. Maybe place your left hand on top of your left hip. Encourage it to stay down. We'll send our right leg up to the sky. Release your hand and then drop it all the way over to the left. One more supine twist. Coming back through center. Extend your right leg long. We'll pull the left knee into the chest. Find your half happy baby on this side. Make sure your low back stays connected to the mat. Keep holding on as you begin to extend. Maybe your placement adjusts. You can always hold underneath your left thigh. Keep pressing your right hip down. Release. Lift your leg all the way up and over to the right. As you unwind from your twist, find a full happy baby. Rock from side to side. Stay in happy baby. We're moving into either legs up the wall, like so, or shoulder stand. Lift through your hips. Hands come to your back for support. The weight is in your triceps and your shoulders, not your neck. Option for plow. Slowly lower the toes overhead. Maybe release the arms out long. Wherever you are, gently roll the entire body out. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees open wide, Supta Baddha Konasana. A few rounds of breath here. You can always stay here for your Shavasana. If you'd prefer, begin to extend your arms and legs out long, finding the most restful position for you. Staying here in your Shavasana for at least 10 rounds of breath, or if your day allows for longer, please do so. I appreciate you joining me for this full body flow. The light in me sees, honors, loves, and is grateful for the light in each of you. From my heart to yours, Namaste.